Hello, I am Chuck Viosca, and I'm the Assistant Director for the FSU Sales Institute. I want to thank you for being a judge for this round. Buying and judging is what makes this event possible, so thank you for your help. A typical competitor spends over 100 hours studying and practicing for the competition. Many of you are experienced judges, so this is a refresher, but basics for anyone in the room who is new. Different than other sales competitions, ICSE role plays are all to one company, taking the sale from lead to needs assessment to finally a top executive decision. Take a look at the judging sheet you will use. Note that the needs ID or assessment is heavily weighted and the presentation part of the meeting has little weight. This is what this round is all about. It is 15 minutes in length, and the seller during that time should focus on understanding if the Citrix Zen Desktop product can help Aerotech with its issues about secure access to data, improved productivity, and lower overall technology costs. There's a sheet on the table which lists 3 needs and 3 concerns that are part of the buyer's script. Sometimes additional or different buying motives evolve during the conversation. It is more the process and the technique that you're evaluating rather than did they uncover those specific needs. The presentation part of the meeting should be short but persuasive, making the buyer feel comfortable that Citrix had a solution and there should be a further meeting with others who had information about the needs at Aerotech. In terms of managing concerns and answering questions of the salesperson, should first understand the question or concern. We call this clarifying. Give a reasonable response, responding, and then ensure that the buyer accepted the answer, a confirmation. So what is a 2 or a 4 or a 10? It's up to you. Just try and be consistent. After you've judged the first 3, we will stop and ask you to look at all 3 judging sheets and do some level setting. Sometimes you judge something as a 2, and now you've seen others, you might consider it a higher score. Or sometimes you rated something very highly, and after seeing the last 2, you might want to lower that score a little bit. Once you're satisfied with the first 3 sets of scores, the room monitor will take them and enter these scores as you watch the remaining videos, and those scores will become permanent. After each remaining video, the monitor will collect that judging sheet and then enter those scores as well. Once again, thank you for lending your expertise to make this ICSE a great success.